Well, hi guys, back again for my breeding season. Canaries and goldfinches. That hen that was sitting on 4, she's only got 3 now. One of the eggs was cracked, so I took it out. And my white hen, she's sitting on 3 eggs. That one sitting on 3, they've all got 3. And then that one's fertile, I don't know about that one yet. Oh. And then up here, that was a cock that was with that one. I've put him with her daughter. They've built a nest today. No eggs in there yet, fortunately. So, and then in the flight I've got my green mosaic with a green cock that she's built the nest. She gets really scared, so I have to put a few twigs and stuff there to keep away moss, so she can't see when I come in. So yeah, I'm on my outside. I have my goldfinch. This goldfinch. And then this is the flight I'm having built. So yeah. The chicks at the bottom one, they should hatch tomorrow. She should hatch on the 19th. No, it's the 23rd. So I'll probably make a video tomorrow if there's any chicks or the day after. So thanks for now.